Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus Online Maths class for grade 7. Textbook page number 68, chapter Exponents, exercise 5. Now first of all, what is exponential nation? When we write 2 power 5, it basically means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. 5 power 2 power 5 is called the fifth power of 2. 2 is the base and 5 is the power and exponent. The exponent tells the number of the times the base number is multiplied by itself, and the other one is the exponent is often referred to as the power or index. The exponent power or index applies to negative number as well. Now exercise 5, fill in the blanks. Power of another term of 4 dash. It's here the exponent come. Number 2, a negative base rise to an odd number gives negative number. A value of 5 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 3 is 1000. If the bases are the same, their powers are added. The number rise to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Now part 2, state whether the following are true or false. First is false, second is true, third is false, fourth is true, and fifth is false. Now you have the question number 3, express the following as rotational numbers. The first one is 4 over 5 whole square. Now this is the question. How you will solve this question? 4 multiplied by 4, because 4 square mean you will multiply 4 by itself. 5 square mean 5 multiplied by 5. The answer will be 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. 16 over 25 is the answer of this value. Now the part 2, minus 2 over 3 bracket power 3. You have minus 2 over 3 bracket power 3. It's mean minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Mean this value will be multiplied by 3 times. The answer will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus plus minus, minus minus plus, and then it will multiply by minus plus minus minus. So the answer will be minus 8 over 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. The answer is minus 8 over 27. Now question number 3, question 3 part 3, 4 over 5 whole square minus square. So when you have the minus square, you have the exponent or the value or the power in minus or in a negative, so you will change the value like 5 over 4. The denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. So it will become in positive sign. Now 5 multiplied by 5 over 4 multiplied by 4, 25 over 16 is the answer. Now the part 4, you have to solve these questions on your neat copy, and the fourth one by your own self. Now question number 4, express as powers of rotational numbers. Now the part 1 is 27 over 125. Now the question 27 over 125. So how you will solve this question? You have the power 27. So simply you will take the LCM of 27 like this. And remember one thing, you will solve this question with one digit. Like if you are solving by 3, so you have to solve this all question with 3. Now 125, when you will take the LCM of 125, you will take with it 5. 5 25s are 125, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now you can write the 3 power 3 instead of 27. You can write like this. Then 5 and it's also have the power 3 1 2 3, so it's also can be written like 5 power 3. When you have the both values in the power 3, so you can write this like 3 over 5 bracket 3. Now you have the part 2 and the part 3. You have to solve it by your own self, and you solve these 3 questions on your neat copy. Part 1 and 2 on your book, part 3 and 4 on your neat copy.